Hello and welcome to the section 2 of my 2 for 8 course. And right now I have this Unity project open, and this shows exactly what we will have by the end of this section. So we will have the layout on the screen fully assembled, and if I run the game right now, nothing will happen. So this is just a picture that we have. And if I try to press the buttons on my keyboard, none of the buttons will work. So in this section we will be working just on the visual part of this 2 for 8 game. This section is very beginner friendly, so you don't have to have any previous experience with Unity. We will start by creating an empty project and importing all our assets into it. And in order to follow this course, you will have to download the assets, and the only folder that you'll need to start the development will be called Resources to Start 2 for 8 Development. And we will talk about what all the assets in this folder mean later, so I will minimize it. So in this section we will move gradually from having nothing in our scene, so our scene look just empty like this and it will have just the main camera. We will move towards having everything set up on our screen, so we'll gradually create everything that we see in this game mode. So first we'll create this panel that serves as a background for our game. Next we'll be creating all the text and buttons and score HUDs that we have on our screen, and we'll create a placeholder for our game field. Then I will show you how to arrange the tiles on our game field in this grid shape so that Unity takes care of placing and scaling these tiles for us. And another very important thing is that you will learn how to assemble your UI so that it will work on different screen sizes and different screen resolutions. And I will show you what I mean right now. I will zoom out a little bit, and if I grab this corner and try to resize what we'll see on our screen, here in this scene mode we can see that even if I resize it and try to drag the corners of our screen, the layout will still look acceptable. And the same effect we can achieve by dragging this border of our game view. This will also resize our layout. So knowing these tricks that will help us assemble our UI so that it looks the same on different screen sizes and different screen resolutions is very useful, and it will help you not only to design this game, but it will also help you when you will try to create your other games, because I think it's just cool that you can design your UI once and then just forget about it, and no matter where you run your game, it might be a mobile phone or it may be a stationary computer, your UI will stretch and reorganize itself so that it looks nice on all platforms. And if you are already familiar with Unity UI, I think you can skip a couple of lectures. So the first lecture that you can skip is called Introduction to Unity UI. Another lecture is called Parenting and Sorting Order. And the third lecture that you might want to skip is called Anchoring of Unity UI. In these lectures, I just mostly play with the settings and explain these concepts because they are important in order to design user interfaces in Unity. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to download the resources folder, and see you in the next lecture.